How's it going? I'm Jeremy Burkhardt, and I work for a really cool company called SpeakerCraft. We're a team of people that get up every day and bust our ass to make sure that you, our dealer, gets the best service in the industry. I want to talk to you for a few minutes about our new products, our cool new programs, what we're doing in marketing, and the stuff that we have coming up here in the fourth quarter of 2011. As the industry's changed over the last 5 years, many people have jumped in and started to make architectural speakers, be it a box speaker company or a company out of China that doesn't know what to do with their resources. China is open to just about everybody, and it's not hard for somebody to bring a container of crap product into the United States and sell it. But that's not what we do. We've got thousands of products, and we're constantly reinventing the standard of what a good architectural speaker is. Our designs are some of the purest in the way that the speakers install. It's absolutely simple. We provide big sound. How do you get big sound out of an architectural speaker? Most people don't know, but we've been designing and engineering these things since 1976. So we have a wealth of knowledge within our walls and within our team of people that are constantly devoted to doing nothing but making great sounding speakers all day long. We've just re-engineered over 70 speaker models in our line. What speakers have is a crossover, right? You've got a woofer and you've got a tweeter. And you have to make those two things mate together and sound really good. Well, what a lot of people do is they use cheap components in the crossover and the speakers sound hollow or tinny. With SpeakerCraft, you're going to get a full sound, you're going to get a frequency response that's absolutely the most real possible reproduction. That's because our engineers care. Having a good speaker takes a really great person with an awesome set of ears to make the sound exactly like it was recorded. Everything that we do, from the cone materials that we use, to the way that we pivot our tweeters, to the technologies that we've invented like AIM, where you can actually aim the entire speaker to the listening area, we do all of that so that you can enjoy music the way it was intended to. One of my favorite smells in the world used to be the smell of opening a new Kiss album. I'd get my records, I'd open them up, I'd lay down on the carpet, and I'd read the liner notes. And that was frickin' really rad. And that got me into audio as a kid. But my son and I just rediscovered 2-channel, and now I'm a vinyl frickin' junkie. It's rad to sit down and listen to like Pink Floyd Money and hear the shift from left to right as the change drops, cymbals and sounds with depth and spatialness. I mean, it's really cool. Most people don't take a chance to do that. If you get a chance, sit down, listen to a great piece of vinyl, and enjoy the music, because that's what it's all about. As a SpeakerCraft dealer, I want to unconditionally be your best business partner. I don't want any other manufacturer to offer you something that I can't. I want you to be fully supported by us, and if that means that we need to train you, you need to send people out here for training, something to do with customer service, or you need a new product, just ask. We're here to help. It's because of you that we're in business, and we don't forget that. We have a proven set of programs that make our dealers happy. You being one of our dealers, I sure hope that we're making you happy. As a lot of people jump into an industry, margins typically fall and the value of a product goes down. Things become commoditized. It's not rocket science. What we've done at SpeakerCraft is we have some really cool business programs for you, from rebate programs to free displays to trainings. We're here for you. We're going to continue to come out with new programs. Just ask. So as music becomes more and more consumed, you're going to sell more products. So in 2003, I hooked up with an investment banking firm, and I made the decision to sell SpeakerCraft. The reason I did is the market was booming. We had a great business. We were growing like crazy. So I sold my business to Nortec. They wrote us a check for a lot of money. But you know what? What year is it? It's 2011, 8 years later. I'm still here. I still get my ass up out of bed every day and come to work. You know why? Man needs purpose. At SpeakerCraft, we're constantly innovating, from a 3-inch speaker to a 10-inch speaker. If you look at what we've done on our new profile series, it's pretty incredible. The grill itself actually has a dampening material so that the bass response sounds really clean as it comes out. Then the speaker, if you look at what's behind the grill, which you never see, the whole driver pivots. That's a technology that we patented back in the 90s. Additionally, the tweeter pivots independently, and then you have adjustable bass and treble switches. At the same time, we have aluminum drivers and a wave plane. What the wave plane does is it allows the tweeter to have a solid surface to reflect off of, and that's what makes our speakers so much better. Normal manufacturers They put a tweeter right in the middle of a speaker. It just fires down at the ground. SpeakerCraft speakers are spec'd into jobs all around the world because our off-axis frequency response sounds way better. It means that you're going to get the high frequencies to your ears when you need them. There's always going to be a high-end, high-wealth market that wants a control system for their house. SpeakerCraft also addresses that market with a new system that we have called Nerve. We're real stoked on it, and it's high technology, and it works with everything from streaming media to your regular iPod or any digital source. How do you market architectural speakers? How do you differentiate the sound quality? I still believe in the art of the demo because it allows you to sell better product. So don't forget, demo the gear, and I promise you'll step up and sell better product. My goal at SpeakerCraft is to continue to innovate great products and provide one of the coolest places in the world for my team to come to work and enjoy themselves. We're here to foster creativity and have a team that really loves coming to work and servicing you. And we continually know that every day it's because of you that we get to exist. As we've talked about, we frickin' live and die by the products that we innovate, and you live and die by the relationships and the products that you sell. We believe in our products so strongly that we give you a lifetime warranty. Please, make your system simple and easy to install, and make your customers come back and want to buy from you again, again, and again. And we'll continue to innovate, and the circle will continue.